Hey Baddie and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses. So you want to start an online business, but you just don't know where to start. This video will be giving you a full breakdown of how to start an online business and to help you pick a fulfillment type. There are so many different ways to start an e-commerce store. And today I'm going to break down all of those different ways. And after watching this video, you will have a full understanding of the different types of e-commerce stores you can start. I will be telling you exactly what you are going to need in order to start each e-commerce store, depending on what fulfillment type you pick. It's never been easier to start your own online business. No doubt, in my opinion, if you are somebody that you want to start a business, you should be doing e-commerce and taking advantage of the technology that we have in today's times. And not only will I be discussing the steps that you need to take in order to start your online business, but I will be linking all the free courses for you guys along the way throughout this video, so you will know which one to watch if you decide to do that business model. And a lot of these online store types that I will be showing you in this video, you can start with $0. I always say creativity is so much more important than capital. Don't ever think you can just throw money into a project and expect to just make a bunch of money back. So no matter if you are starting from $0 or you have thousands of dollars to invest, this video will be so beneficial for you. You guys know I grew two successful online businesses in less than a year, and I learned all of my knowledge just from watching YouTube videos and trying things myself. That's why I love to contribute back into the educational space of YouTube. If you are new here, I am dedicated to 100% free education. People charge thousands of dollars for the information and courses that I give you guys 100% free, and all I ask in return for this free education is just hit that subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm so I can continue to create videos just like this. I do try to be a full support system for you guys here, so if you guys have any questions throughout the video, feel free to leave a comment because I do try to respond to all my YouTube comments. So let's get right into this video. So what is e-commerce? E-commerce is a method of buying and selling goods and services online. 50 years ago, you had to open up your own shop in the street in order to make money and open a business. But we are so blessed in our generation because we can start businesses straight from our phones. You don't need any special business knowledge or business degree to actually start an online business. So the first thing you need to do is to create a business plan. As you are formulating your business plan, you need to understand the differences of what kind of business you want to get into. So by weighing out all the options that I'm going to show you in this video, you are going to understand and know and have a great idea of what type of e-commerce store you want to open. I'm going to rank these from no budget $0 to going up from there. So starting with, if you want to start with $0, dropshipping and print on demand are two great ways that you can get started and start an online e-commerce store with $0. And of course, I got you because I have free courses on both of these topics on my YouTube channel that show you step by step how to actually get started and build these businesses. So if you are wanting to start a clothing brand or online clothing store, print on demand would honestly be a great way to go about that. There's so many customization options. If you are an artist or if you want to set up a merch store, print on demand would honestly be the best route to go for you. But if you are someone that you want to just sell one product, or you want to just kind of focus on one niche of products that you just want the supplier to send right to the buyer, then you should go with dropshipping. You are playing as the middleman for both of these business models. Basically, with these two business models, you are focused on just getting the sales, and then your supplier will ship those products straight to the buyer. And then you keep the profit of whatever you sell the product for. I like both these business models for beginners starting with $0 because you don't really have to invest a lot of money up front to actually get started. Another e-commerce route would be selling digital products. This is if you are someone that you want to sell ebooks, travel guides, drawing printables, or even printable games for kids, meal prep plans, digital cookbooks, cooking courses, other online courses. The possibilities are endless with digital product online stores. And it's nice because usually it's 100% profit, and you're not even having to worry about shipping or a physical product itself. I have yet to make a free course about digital products, but I promise it will be out very soon on my YouTube channel. Option 4 is an inventory-based e-commerce store. If you are someone that you want to order your own inventory and start a small business type of shop, I'm going to explain everything that you're going to need to start this online inventory-based e-commerce store. So if you guys don't already know, I started an in-house inventory-based e-commerce store in 2020 with $100, and it grew super fast because of the way I was marketing it. I loved having inventory because I was able to share more and market it more because I was able to create more videos, post them on TikTok and Instagram because I have the products here in my house that then led to more sales and growing my business. When you are dropshipping or you're doing print on demand, sometimes marketing can be a little bit tougher because then you have to either get the videos from the supplier or order a sample of the products, but it's not something that you're kind of making into your lifestyle, which if you guys follow my free marketing course and my videos, I really utilize the power of social media to grow your online stores. And I've never personally bought any ads for my online store because of this, which keeps my profit margins so high. Profit margins are how much you make for each sale. With my online store, I do profit more because I do buy things wholesale. I buy products in bulk and I sell them individually. I do profit more because I'm buying them in bulk. If you are just drop shipping and buying one product and sending it from the supplier to the buyer, that product costs more money, which does affect your profit margins long term. With an inventory-based e-commerce store, you are usually buying wholesale and buying things in bulk. And you're probably wondering, what do I really even need to open an inventory-based e-commerce store? Where can I actually start buying these products? I actually flew out to the Dallas marketplace, which is a place where you can connect with US suppliers. And I figured I was going to go into that event and find all these US suppliers. And I soon found out that the suppliers in this event, honestly, were just the middleman from wholesale sites in China to US buyers. It was almost like the old way, buying things wholesale. So why not go straight to the manufacturers and the suppliers in China? But of course, you're probably wondering, okay, where do I find suppliers in China? There are so many amazing platforms, and I'm going to show you one today. Made in China is one platform that you can use to find and be connected with wholesale suppliers to buy products in bulk. MadeInChina.com connects global buyers with over 1,400,000 trusted suppliers from China. And it offers so many solutions for businesses of all sizes to grow their businesses by buying in bulk from these suppliers through this platform. The search engine is very simple, and you can pretty much find anything that you are looking for, whether it's shipment supplies or products to sell. You do have a buyer's protection, and they verify and check the quality of all the suppliers on their platform. Everything's very secure, and when I shop on MadeInChina.com, I've never had an issue with finding suppliers. They even have an event going on right now. It's called Amazing April, and it's a platform-wide event hosted by MadeInChina.com this year. This event is designed to showcase the best of Chinese suppliers and products, so you can definitely get ideas by looking through this. The goal of this event is to basically set up a stage for businesses to connect with these Chinese suppliers, and they're basically just here to promote their products and services to you. You can source customized product solutions, finished products, or anything that you need to get ahead of the trends to grow your online store. That is one platform that I wanted to introduce to you guys today. And one big thing that I always recommend is before you do buy in bulk, especially if it's something that is like clothing or anything like that, just make sure that you do order samples so you don't order a bunch of something and it's just not what you expected it to be. Usually suppliers will sometimes cut you deals on samples as well, so this is just something to keep in mind. So you guys know I started with $100, which means I used everything that I had at the moment. I didn't order a bunch of fancy equipment. I figured out how to just succeed with what I had right now. So a lot of people that start inventory-based e-commerce stores and you're shipping yourself, they always say you need this label printer. I personally just used a regular printer until I made more money, and then I bought a label printer, so this is totally optional. You will need some kind of laptop or computer, but you can technically get away with just using your phone if you have a printer that is Wi-Fi, because then you can actually just print the shipping labels through that. For all my shipping, I use goshippo.com. I feel like it's the cheapest place to print your shipping labels, and I even have a free course just about how I ship. So if you want to physically see like how I ship orders and everything like that, definitely go and watch that video. You can of course take your stuff to the USPS post office, but you will have to pay so much, which will again cut into your profit margins, because if you guys know me, I try to keep my profit margins as high as possible so we can make the most money possible as well. If you are stuck and you don't know what niche you want to get into or what kind of small business to start, here is a chart from 2022 which shows all the most top selling niches for online stores. I understand that a lot of you guys might not know what to sell or what you really want to start a business on, but you guys know I got you. I have videos on my YouTube channel that show you different small business ideas, how to find products to sell, and so many other helpful videos that will just help you along your journey of figuring out what you want to start your business on or about. Once you have a plan for your business, you know what you want to sell, then you are going to focus on creating an online store, which you probably thought you had to spend thousands of dollars to start, and that's absolutely not true. You can start an online store with $0 monthly. And I have this amazing tutorial which shows you exactly how to set up that in less than 10 minutes. A lot of people for e-commerce will just automatically always recommend Shopify, but there's so many free ones out there that no one else is talking about. The first thing you need to do when starting your online store is choosing a business name. Now, obviously, I know this can be tricky, and even me, it took me a while to actually come up with names for my online stores. I actually use this website called Business Name Generator, which helped me to pick my business name. I also do a Google search of the name to make sure that nobody's using it. I look it up on Instagram, I look it up on TikTok, and I just Google it just to make sure that there's not any businesses that are currently using that name. When I started my e-commerce small business store back in 2020, all I did was I just watched a bunch of different YouTubers videos and tried things myself. You would be shocked as to how much education is really on YouTube, so keep taking advantage of it. You guys already know my channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. I am dedicated and I try to be that one and all channel for you guys so you can succeed with your new online store and teaching you guys new ways to make money online. If you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Remember that I have free courses on all of these topics that I talked about today in this video on my YouTube channel that show you physically step by step how to start your online store, how to actually get started with these business models, and I even show you how to market successfully without buying ads to get sales. I actually care about your pocket, so I never try to just suggest a bunch of ways that are going to cost you a bunch of money. Because when I first started, I definitely did not have money to blow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!